Hi, I'm Dan Gable with Shore Murphy and Associates at KZ, and this is another episode of Big Agent in a Small Town. In these next few videos, I'm going to outline the coverages that are part of a cyber insurance policy. Yeah, I think cyber insurance is a very important coverage for any kind of business, and it can be important in different ways. Today, I'm going to discuss information privacy and network security liability coverages under the cyber insurance policy. The information privacy is kind of straightforward in what a lot of people think of with cyber insurance. That would be if someone hacked into your computer system and gained access to confidential information for your business or for your customers that you have stored. You may be thinking, well, I have a kind of business where I don't have a lot of confidential information stored, or so I probably don't have a big need for cyber insurance. That's where the next coverage, network security liability, could come in and can be vital to your business. Network security liability is if someone gains access to your computer system and uses that access to gain access to another business's computer system and steal confidential data from that business. So I think, for example, like if you're a painting contractor and you recently just did a job for an accounting office, someone hacks into your email system, sends an email to the office manager or the accounting office that looks like it's legitimately from you. They click on a link that they shouldn't, and now a hacker has access to all the confidential information of that accounting office. Obviously, now you're talking about a big exposure because of a lot of other things like sensitive financial information and things like that. So even if your business itself, you might think it doesn't have a lot of liability there, that network security liability can open up a lot of things. So let's say you do have a claim under information privacy or network security liability. What would be the kind of expenses that would be covered under that? So first, obviously, we would think of would be the financial loss of others due to the cyber incident. On top of that, though, you would have potential coverage on your policy for things like regulatory fines and penalties, if you accept credit cards, PCI penalties and expenses, and then also notification and credit monitoring of affected policies. I think all of us have probably gotten something in the mail before saying you were potentially part of a data breach, and you can get free credit monitoring for a certain period of time because of that. And so those kind of notifications required by law also are going to fall under those coverages there. So those are just a couple of coverages on the cyber policy. We'll address more in future videos. If you have any questions at all about cyber insurance, please reach out to me by phone or text at 217-932-2267 or by email to Dan, D-A-N, at shoremurphycasey, SHOREMURPHYCASEY.com. Thank you.